I love these shoes. They're my everyday wear, and I'll tell you why. They are so comfortable. These are the Lacoste with the red tag in the back. Rubber soles and 100% leather. So super comfortable. Keeps new. I've had these for over a year. Never washed them once, and I think they should get back in the washing machine because you can put them in the washing machine, 100% safe. The soles are very, very comfortable. And my thing that I have to tell you though is for size. I usually wear a 10 and a half. These are 11s. Because they are kind of the bulkier kind of set and a little bit wider, or you want to wear them wider, go with the 11 so you're not constricted too much, or go with a half a size up. And the sizes are all available, all in half points. Really, really nice shoes. They are a great investment that I like I said, wear them every day. Do not regret a single thing about these, and they still look perfect.